Jill's Steals and Deals is sponsored by Wells Fargo Credit Cards. Credit cards made for the way you live. That's real life ready.
Welcome back. It is time for a new batch of Steals and Deals. This morning, we're sharing innovative items from a kitchen essential to must-have fashion for spring, up to 76% off. Our guide, of course, today, lifestyle and commerce contributor Jill Martin, and you can start shopping right now if you scan our QR code. Jill, great to see you. Let's dive in.
I know, hard act to follow. It's Saquon Central here, but we're going to move to deals that'll make your life easier. This one is coming up, the rain wrap at the end, but I want to say that's something we're selling.
Okay. Yeah.
This is unbelievable. This is our Place Titanium Always Pan Pro, the retail $215, the deal price $95. It's 56% off. So what makes this pan different? Well, you know the brand. It has a quick heating stainless steel exterior with durable titanium interior. It cooks food evenly and uses airflow to make it non-stick. So that is their new technology. The brand says it's the first ever non-stick pan that's coating-free and virtually indestructible. And it looks absolutely beautiful in your kitchen. Brand says it can withstand up to 750 degrees. It's dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean too. Comes with the utensil. Here's a shot of it. But really, look at how beautiful.
Yeah, like you say, it looks great too. Very cool.
For the non-cooks, at least I look like I know what I'm doing. Okay, the Smart Tech Gadgets over-ear Bluetooth earbuds, the retail $79.95, the deal price $19. That's 76% off. 4 hours of either talk time, music time. And what's great about these is I always lose my pods. These go around your ear, so it's less easy to lose. Come in these beautiful colors, also makes a great gift.
Like when you're exercising, they fall out sometimes.
Right.
This keeps it in.
Right. That's a good point,
That's
actually,
good.
if I did any cardio. And also, it shows you how much power you have left, so you're not like, I lost it. Okay, this, a triumph, will sell out instantly. The Let It Ride magnetic speaker and phone stand, retail $69.99, deal price $19, 73% off. It's waterproof. The speaker goes right on, let's get the shot of this, it goes right on the back. And if you're looking for a good time, which I am, a disco, this is it. An instant dance party. Plus, you can get 2 of them and sync them up, and then for surround sound. So it goes right on your phone.
It just sticks on.
Yep, just sticks on.
Oh, that's so cool.
So these will sell out instantly. Yeah, great idea. Okay, now this is interesting. The Van Siclen Tranquil Glow Guided Breathing Lamp. The retail $34.99, the deal price $14, 60% off. This is like having your own instructor. Now, I don't normally do breathing lessons, but this actually forces you to do it and to calm down. So it's a guided breathing lamp. It changes colors to prompt you to inhale, which is not made for good TV to do this exercise, but here's what it is. 2 modes. 5-second inhale, 5-second exhale, and it goes with you. Or the 4-7-8 breathing method. Breathe in for 4, hold your breath 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8. So it guides you through that, and there's also one as a nightlight. So it's a great way to relax and chill.
I'm playing along as we watch, and I already feel more calm. Okay.
The Opal Cooling Wearables, the retail $28 to $167, the deal price $14 to $83, up to 52% off. This is awesome because any pain you're having, back pain, a headache, it has something for every part of your body that you put in the cold and then put it on. This is really, really terrific.
I love that.
And then the rain wrap.
Here it is.
So here we go. You put it over. It's one size fits most. It has buttons. It has pockets. It's reversible. Some reverse to a pattern. The retail $99, the deal price $49, 51% off. As we approach rainy season, it's just a great item. And you know what? It folds up into this tiny bag, so you could just throw it in your bag, and then it has the hood.
Real quick, Jill, the products, again, it looks good, too.
Okay. We have the Our Place Titanium Always Pan Pro, the Smart Tech Gadgets earbuds, the Let It Ride speaker and phone stand, the Van Siclen Guided Breathing Lamp, the Opal Cool Wearables, and the Rain Wraps Puffer Wraps.
I'm going to get one of these. The blue, I think, right?
It goes with everything you're wearing. You could wear it on your next red carpet.
Jill, I like this. Very nice. Good collection of items. Jill, thank you. To shop these items, scan that QR code or go to today.com/deals.